Hey friends, if the system process causes high disk or high CPU usage on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, I checked countless resources for this, not just one or two, but countless resources for this. It was understood that this issue was being caused when people were trying to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So, I found a solution to it, which is to actually run it. Type for memory diagnostic and open the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Click on restart now and check for problems and let it do its job. Let it finish its process and then restart your system, because once it has completed its process, then it won't unnecessarily cause high CPU usage. The next solution is to obviously update the drivers on your system. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to use balanced power plan. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command powercfg.cpl and hit enter. And then go and check the balanced power plan. Okay. And after that you can also click on restore default settings for the plan, just in case you change the settings of the balanced power plan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.